Have you ever heard of Gua Sha? This might be a new term for some, while others might have a vague understanding of it. But for those who are well versed in the world of wellness and self-care, Gua Sha is an ancient Chinese healing practice that has been gaining momentum and catching the attention of wellness enthusiasts around the globe. This technique involves the use of a massage tool, often made of jade or rose quartz, which is gently scraped across the skin to stimulate blood circulation. Its roots can be traced back thousands of years to ancient China, where it was used as a form of therapy to treat various health conditions. Fast forward to today, and you'll find it being embraced in spas and homes, becoming a staple in many people's skincare routines. So are you intrigued to find out more about this unique therapy? Stick around as we delve deeper. You might be wondering, how does Gua Sha work? Well, let's dive into the science behind this fascinating technique. Gua Sha, which originated from traditional Chinese medicine, is a practice that's been around for thousands of years. But what exactly is happening when you scrape that jade or rose quartz stone across your skin? Firstly, Gua Sha is all about boosting blood circulation. When you apply pressure and scrape the skin with a Gua Sha tool, you're creating what's known as petechiae, or small pinpoint red spots. This is a sign that blood is flowing to the surface of the skin, bringing oxygen and nutrients with it. The increased blood flow not only nourishes the skin, but also carries away waste products, promoting overall skin health. Secondly, Gua Sha has a significant impact on inflammation. Inflammation is often the body's response to injury or infection, but when it's chronic, it can lead to a host of health issues. By increasing blood flow and breaking down tissue like in a deep tissue massage, Gua Sha can help reduce inflammation and promote healing. Now let's talk about energy, or as it's known in traditional Chinese medicine, Qi. According to this ancient philosophy, illness or physical discomfort occurs when Qi is blocked. Gua Sha is believed to help move this stagnant energy, restoring balance and aiding the body's natural healing processes. Of course, it's important to note that while the benefits of Gua Sha are supported by anecdotal evidence and traditional uses, more scientific research is needed to fully understand and validate these effects. But one thing is clear, people who practice Gua Sha regularly often report feeling more relaxed, less tense, and generally healthier. So now that we understand the science behind it, how about we learn how to do it? Before you start, there are a few things you need. The most important item is, of course, the Gua Sha tool. It's traditionally made from jade or rose quartz, but these days you can find them in a variety of materials. Choose one that feels good in your hand and on your skin. Next up, you'll need some oil or serum. This is to provide a smooth glide for the Gua Sha tool on your skin. You can use any natural oil or serum that suits your skin type. Don't be shy with it. A generous application helps the tool slide easily and prevents any unwanted friction. Lastly, find a comfortable, quiet space where you can relax and focus on your Gua Sha session. This isn't just a physical process, it's also a moment of self-care and relaxation. And let's not forget about cleanliness. Always clean your Gua Sha tool before and after use. This is crucial to prevent any skin issues. Now that we're all set, let's move on to the actual procedure. So, how do you perform Gua Sha? First things first, to perform Gua Sha, you'll need a Gua Sha tool and a lubricant. This lubricant could be an oil or a serum of your choice, depending on your skin type and preference. The key is to ensure that your skin is well lubricated, allowing the tool to glide smoothly without causing any discomfort or harm. To begin, apply a generous amount of your chosen lubricant to the area you're working on. This might be your face, neck, or even an area of your body. Once your skin is slick and ready, it's time to grab your Gua Sha tool. Now hold your Gua Sha tool at the right angle. This is crucial. You don't want to hold it upright or flat against your skin. Instead, aim for about a 15 to 30 degree angle. This angle allows the tool to scrape your skin without causing any harm or discomfort. Next up, the scraping motion. Start from the inner parts of your face and work your way outwards. Use the curved parts of the tool to hug the contours of your face. The motion should be firm but gentle and always in one direction. Never scrape back and forth. Each stroke should be repeated about 5 to 10 times before moving to the next area. When working on your face, start from the center of your forehead and move towards your temples. Then move down to your nose, cheeks, and finally, the jawline. Remember to always scrape towards the edges of your face. This helps to drain the lymphatic fluids, promoting better circulation and detoxification. For your neck and body, the principle remains the same. Start from the center and move towards the edges. For instance, if you're working on your arm, start from the inner part of your arm and move towards the outer part. While Gua Sha is generally safe, there are some precautions to take. For instance, avoid areas with wounds, rashes, or inflammation. If you have a skin condition, consult with a healthcare professional before starting Gua Sha, and remember, never scrape too hard. It's normal to see some redness after a session, but it should never be painful. It's also worth noting that Gua Sha is not a one-time miracle solution. To see long-lasting effects, you'll need to practice it regularly. Think of it as part of your skincare or wellness routine, like brushing your teeth or washing your face. In conclusion, Gua Sha is a simple yet powerful technique that can be done at home. It's all about the right tool, the right angle, and the right motion. And while it may seem a little daunting at first, with practice, you'll get the hang of it in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be disheartened if you don't get it right the first time. So, what can you gain from regular Gua Sha practice? Well, the benefits of Gua Sha are as vast as they are impressive. This ancient technique, born from the wisdom of traditional Chinese medicine, offers a holistic way of improving your overall well-being. One of the immediate benefits of Gua Sha is improved circulation. As the skin is gently scraped, it encourages blood flow to the surface. This increased circulation not only gives your skin a healthy, radiant glow, but it also feeds your cells with more oxygen and nutrients. Over time, this can lead to improved skin health and even a reduction in the appearance of aging. But the benefits of Gua Sha go far beyond skin deep. The practice also aids in reducing inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to numerous health problems. Gua Sha helps to break up stagnation and promote the smooth flow of qi, or energy, throughout the body, thereby reducing inflammation. Speaking of qi, another fantastic benefit of Gua Sha is a boost in energy. When qi is flowing smoothly throughout your body, you'll feel more energized and balanced. It's like giving your body a natural, caffeine-free pick-me-up. And let's not forget the immune system. By stimulating circulation and reducing inflammation, Gua Sha can help to strengthen your body's natural defenses. It's like giving your immune system a gentle nudge, reminding it to stay vigilant and strong. Lastly, Gua Sha has the potential to help with specific health conditions. From tension headaches to digestive issues, this practice can offer relief and support for various ailments. However, it's important to remember that while Gua Sha can aid in managing symptoms, it should not replace professional medical advice or treatment. Sounds wonderful, doesn't it? But like all good things, there are some considerations to bear in mind. While Gua Sha has many benefits, it's not for everyone. Certain individuals, particularly those with medical conditions like blood disorders or skin issues such as dermatitis, eczema, or wounds, should be cautious. The strokes might exacerbate these conditions. Moreover, pregnant women are often advised to avoid Gua Sha, as it can stimulate points that potentially induce labor. And remember, this isn't a do-it-yourself at home without any guidance kind of practice. It's always critical to consult with a healthcare provider before embarking on any new health regimen. They can provide you with a personalized approach, taking into account your unique health profile. Gua Sha is a wellness journey, one that requires time, patience, and most importantly, understanding. It's not a quick fix, but a holistic approach to healing. So there you have it, everything you need to know about Gua Sha. Remember, wellness is a journey, not a destination. Happy healing.